I started a new business from zero to $10,000 per month in just 2 weeks to prove it's no luck. And in this video, I will show you exactly step by step what I did so you can implement the same things and start your own business. All of this is to just prove like once you learn the skills of getting leads, acquiring clients, generating results, then you can start any business you want without a college, without a degree, just having those type of skills. So it took me 2 weeks and I did this having a simple structure of me, setter, and editor. And the setter is commission only setter, meaning he only get paid when the deal is closed. And having that team structure and leverage offer that we'll came to later in this video allows you to have a high profit margins. Of course, if you want to scale traditional agency services to, let's say, 30 or 50k per month, then you won't have that high profit margins. The start you probably will doing the service delivery by yourself. But if you are having some kind of leverage in your offer and your fulfillment, then you can have higher profit margins. Okay, so to not keep you longer, I did this by having these three things. First, leverage offer, then leverage way of acquiring clients, then leverage service delivery, and this resulted in the first 10k in 2 weeks of starting this out. So let's start with the leverage offer. So I was solving a specific problem for specific people, positioning me as unique and as superior as possible. I could do the same things, but if I would target different kind of people or serving more broad, then I could charge less for the thing that I'm doing and I could generate way less results. Okay, so I find a specific problem in a specific market and package my offer into as unique, as superior to other things that this kind of people have tried in the past, what have brought them pain, and making my solution the best for them. Okay, so that was the first thing, so having a leverage offer. The second thing was to have leverage way of acquiring clients. As you probably know, when I'm speaking in my content, I throw stones at organic marketing, cold outbound, ads to VSL funnel, so on and so forth. I'm not saying that this type of method of acquiring clients doesn't work. They work like every marketing strategy works. It just comes down to how well do you use it. But I prefer a scenario where I can have team of me, setter, editor, master the skill of acquiring clients using my inbound hybrid funnel, and generate this type of results consistent and predictable month to month. The results speak for themselves because I have spent 1 hour for these 2 weeks to launch this funnel for me, and I have closed 10k plus of deals worth. So I used my offer that I sell for my clients, meaning I only did the things that I sell. I'm not like another guru that tell you to implement a growth specialist to do outbound for you and doing some other things to scale the offer. I'm actually leveraging the same things I do for my clients and getting my clients for the thing that I'm doing for my clients. So I have used this hybrid inbound content funnel that you can watch the video somewhere right here. But when I describe how it works, this is the funnel that I have on my Instagram. So you can check it out. Maciej, Maciej.Gawronski _ You can shoot me a follow and you can DM inbound to learn more about how we do things. And then this YouTube channel as you're watching right now. Like the only thing that I did was to create this simple one VSL that I upload both on my Instagram page and then on my YouTube. And I have 100% automated way of acquiring clients, because the only thing that I had to do was record these videos and these videos, give it to my editor, then he edited that, and then my setter just was reaching out to people. Completely done for me. So going further, once I had leverage offer, leverage way of acquiring clients, then I have to have leverage service delivery model. Because my goal is not to stop at 10K per month in the new offer. For those that don't know, I still have clients from other offers, and this one is for like 1 to 2 years, maybe. So I really have to have a leverage model of fulfilling results for my clients to not keep me working all day long to have this 10K, 40K, or 50K. I want to spend as less time as possible while generating the best results for my clients. Okay? So I had to figure out, okay, what I can do to spend the least amount of time, generate the best results. So I had to figure out what I have to do to spend the least amount of time and generate the best results for my clients. And then I came out to this model of delivering my service. So there are a lot of like misunderstandings and questions that people have when they were my clients before for my older offer, and I tried to automate that, giving this knowledge and answering their questions by implementing course modules. And this course is an anti course because the modules are short, straight to the point, and answering all the questions that they need to know. Okay, so this course modules that I have currently is about selling in the content, so like not optimizing for the organic reach because we have an ad for that, just for selling in the content, doing short for content via sales, long form content via sales, and also the technical stuff like the setup, the mindset, and the way of how the recording works. So that's the first thing that I have automated in my service delivery. Then what I have did, I had some experience in automating things in Zapier. So I have automated my onboarding process, then I have automated kind of service delivery, because right now what I'm doing is I'm implementing the editor to other people companies, and also the appointment setters, the inbound setters, and to remove all the complexity for the system. So like sending having conversation with an editor to send the video, then get the video back, um, and knowing each one about all of these things. I have automated this process 100%. So like all of my clients have to do is to just put the video in a specific folder, then the editor right straight away as SAP knows that he have to edit something, then he's sending the video back to them, and it's all automated. The same with tracking data from the email funnel. We have a systems and spreadsheets for tracking the exact and everything, every data that we have from our inbound funnels, and we also automate this data collection through Zapier and the formulas that we have inside our spreadsheets. Okay, so this is leverage. This actually leverage the service delivery. We have leverage consulting, as I told you, so a little bit of done for you at the start. So like we have the only thing that I have is an onboarding call at the start. Then we focus on implementing and optimizing things. And also what I do is I script the ads for my clients, making sure the funnel is configured well and optimized for generating the best results. And from that, once everything is set up, it takes somewhere between 2 to 4 weeks. Then it's only about, okay, we have this data. Let me look at this for a few minutes, and boom, I have the answers of what we should do to get better results, what we can do different, so on and so forth. Okay, and right now I'm heavily focusing on generating results for my clients. So I have actually put people on the wait list because I don't have more spots currently. So far I have put people 1 week further to the wait list, because I just want to focus on generating the results one-to-one with my clients, then generating the case studies. I care more about generating the results right now than cashing out the money. So when I will finally generate some good results with my current clients, the new ones, then I will onboard people into the groups, meaning more leverage. So right now it's focusing on one-to-one, then it will be actually group coachings and so on and so forth. And then also there will be more course modules, so they will answer more of the stuff that people joining my program will have the questions or doubts, or they want to know how to do that. Right now I have to give them a personalized more workthrough on how everything works one-to-one, but I could automate this process later on. Okay, and this resulted in 10K in the first 2 weeks. Of course, if you will start from zero, like 0, then I'm not saying it's not possible, but chances are that you won't probably make it. But if you are into the entrepreneurship space for a while ago, then it just all comes down to knowing how to do a leverage offer, how to have a leverage way of acquiring clients, and then how to have a leverage in the fulfillment. And that's all you need to scale a new offer in a completely new market, in a completely new country. I think that was all for this video. And if you would like to learn exactly how the system works, how you can configure the same inbound funnel for you for free, then you can watch this video when I show you exactly how you can do this.